like you, growing up, isa din akong alipin ako ng pornography.
Yeah.
At a very early age kasi, 10 years old, sinisilip ko na yan. At ang pornography dati napakahirap.
Yeah.
Kasi you have to look at magazines.
Magre-rent ka pa ng VHS.
Magre-rent ka ng
nun.
VHS. Itatago mo sa tatay mo, sa nanay mo, at papanoorin mo mag-isa ng walang tao. Tatimingin mo kung kailan yung walang tao sa bahay mo, kailan mo papanoorin. Napakahirap. Yet, I was so into it because I thought it was normal. But you know what happened to me was naging alipin ako ng pornography. I was already married and I couldn't function as a male without having to look at pornography, without having to watch pornography. And I thought at first, before I became Christian, Pastor Pao, that it was enhancing my sex life. It was not. It was so deceptive. It was actually eating up my sex life. And then I became a slave of it. Pero nung nahanap ko si Kristo, Pastor Pao, ganda eh. I experienced how it is to be filled with the Holy Spirit, and the feeling was so irreplaceable. Hindi mo mapapalitan yung feeling na yun eh. Sinubukan kong manood ng porn ulit, nabulabog ang feeling. And I began to compare how it is to be filled with the Holy Spirit and the spirit of porn. No comparison. When I'm feeling weak, I know that I'm not full of the Spirit.